stop scrolling. If you've landed on this video, it's not an accident. It's a signal. You are looking for a way to build real assets and escape the cycle most people never break. But before you start dreaming about profits, you need to hear this from someone who has already built and lost everything. I went from zero capital to building a massive trading portfolio, but I did it the wrong way. I chased fast money and lost more than just capital. Today, I'll show you a simple 5-minute Forex strategy, a strategy designed to grow your portfolio the right way without destroying your discipline, your mindset, or your future. Stay focused, because one mistake in this process can wipe out your entire account. The biggest lie in trading is this: you need complex indicators to make money. That's how beginners lose their capital. Professional traders don't chase signals, they follow structure. What I'm about to show you is a low-risk, high-probability setup used to build consistent trading income over time. Open your charts on TradingView. Step 1. Set time frame to 5 minutes. Step 2. Mark your key support and resistance zones. These are price levels where money enters the market. Now focus. When price reaches support and shows strong rejection, wicks, fast bounce, that's a buy opportunity. When price hits resistance and starts rejecting, that's a sell opportunity. Set your stop loss just below support or above resistance. Target small, consistent profits. This is not gambling. This is controlled capital growth. But here's the difference between profitable traders and those who lose everything: timing and liquidity. Only trade during high-volume sessions. London session, New York session. This is when institutional money moves the market. Trade outside these hours and your strategy loses its edge. This is where most people destroy their accounts. Let me be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick system. This is a capital-building strategy. If you stay consistent, manage risk, and control your emotions, you can turn small capital into a scalable income stream. That's how real wealth is built. Slow, smart, strategic. Most people will watch this and do nothing, but a few will take action and build financial freedom step by step. Which one are you? If you're serious about growing your trading income and building a real portfolio, connect with me now. Let's build your wealth, your assets, and your legacy together. Follow, because the next strategy could change your entire financial future.